Everyone, today I'm making roast vegetable quesadillas. With everything going on at the moment with the coronavirus, a lot of shops are short of meat. I've been vegetarian now for about 3 months, so I thought I'd show you an easy, quick meal that you can make out of vegetables and some tortilla wraps. So let's go. So what we'll do first is I've got one pepper sliced, put this into the bowl. Got one red onion and one shallot onion in there as well, so put them into the bowl as well. They're finely diced. I've got one celery stick sliced, and I also have some finely diced courgette. And then to finish it off, I have got some dried out mixed beans. These are canned, and I've just drained them out and dried them out a little bit. This gives a bit more texture to the dish. So put all that in. What I'm going to do is I'll give some spices as well. So some paprika. It's almost empty, may as well use it all. Got a bit of salt. A bit of pepper. Some mixed herbs. It's almost finished as well, maybe as well use that. And if you like a bit of spice, some chili flakes. You don't have to add these, but I just like a bit of a kick in the mouth. Fantastic. What you do then is give it a bit of a toss. Use your hands. Don't be afraid to get a bit down with it. Just try not to spill it everywhere like I have. Lovely. Just quick wash my hands. Then I'm going to use some fry lime, but you can use oil if you want, but it's less calories this way. And I'm going to prep the baking tray. I put foil down just to less washing up, but you still got to wash it, but it's less marks in it really. And then I'll put the vegetables onto the tray like this. Spread them out a little bit. Now what I've done is I have preheated the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to put these in the oven now for about 20 minutes and just let them cook a little bit, and I'll check on them, see if they need a bit longer. I might put them right afterwards, but yeah, I'll put these in for 20 minutes and we'll see how they end up. Right, so that's been about 20 minutes. I put it in for 15 originally, actually, looking at it and sort of just checked it. And yeah, it needed a little bit longer, so 20 minutes bang on. So what we'll do now is we'll carry on and I'll show you what we do now. So we'll get the veg out of the oven. Try not to burn your face off all the steam like I just have. As you can see here, just get a photo in the photo for you. Some lovely roasted vegetables and the beans in there as well. So next step is you grab your tortillas. What you want to do is you want to put cheese on one half of the tortilla, just like so. And then you want to grab a trusty spatula. I used this earlier to stir. And you want to put some of this lovely roasted vegetables onto the quesadilla. Try to do it nicely and all in one place rather than getting it everywhere like I have, but beggars can't be choosers. Is that now going to fit? Press that down nicely. I've got a bit of extra cheese, so I'm going to put a bit more cheese on top there. And now the next step to this is we're going to put our pan on the hob. I'm going to put a little bit of fry light on there as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this on the pan for not too long really, just until it starts browning a little bit, so the cheese gets a little bit of melting in it. About 3 to 4 minutes roughly. That's what the recipe that I've got before says anyway. So a bit of cheese on there anyway, on there nicely. Wait for this to warm up. Wait for this to warm up. So carry on. We'll do another one here. So this recipe serves 4 people, or in my case, 1. We put a nice bit of cheese on there. Again, we get some of our lovely roasted vegetables and we put it on the tortilla like so. So this pan's starting to warm up a little bit now. So what let's do, we'll start here, we'll get our first quesadilla and we'll fold it in half. Give it a nice bit of a squeeze down, try not to get all the veggies to pour out the sides. We're going to put that on the pan like so. Let it cook a little bit on there. Except just to toast the tortilla, hopefully melt it through in the insides and have a lovely nice bit of toast on each side. I'm sure you haven't noticed yet, but this is my first ever cooking video. I might put this on Twitter at Gordon Ramsay and see what he says. You'll probably get 2 bits of bread and put it on side of the end, probably an idiot sandwich, but we'll see how that goes. But anyway, yeah, so I'll carry on making a few of these. Look, unfortunately we can only do one at a time. Pan's not very big. If you've got a hot plate at home, you can maybe do 2 or 3 at once, but I'm stuck with this lovely piece of fine specimen of Asda own brand pan, which is obviously fantastic, as you can see. So that's been on there for about 1.5 minutes now already, I think. So we'll just give it about 2 minutes. We'll flip it over the other side, toast the other side. Try not to lose too much filling when it's flipping it, but yeah, looking forward to these actually. I've had them a few times, and I love. I do love a bit of Mexican food. So yeah. So we will flip this over. Try not to burn your hand in the process. And I'm losing loads and loads and loads of filling then, but it's alright, you can always scoop that up afterwards for your dinner. So yeah, that's nice and brown on one side, probably a bit too brown, but a bit of carbon never hurt anyone, I suppose. Yeah, so yeah, been veggie now for 3 months, came to the new year and just thought, why not give it a go? Went away for New Year's and went away with some friends who are vegetarian, vegan. So yeah, we really enjoyed. Me and Abby really enjoyed eating veggies. So we decided to do it, and there's been some health kicks with it really as well. Health benefits. Lost a little bit of weight, and actually you get a lot more for your money. Could easily spend 20-30 quid on meat a week. So average £60 a week shops gone down to about 25-30 quid. So save loads of cost. Only thing that does cost a little bit more, and we have to buy that often, is the spices. But yeah, this is really good. So I'm going to take this one off here now. I have a plate ready to go here. So that's one done there. Just spray this a little bit. Make it nice and moist. A bit more cheese on the top there. That's just nice handful serving, and we'll pop that on there like so. Yeah, so if you want to see more videos, let us at the SU know. I'm pretty sure we can get a nice recipe out of Mel, Elle, Rio, or Courtney. Courtney loves to bake, so maybe we should get Courtney to a baking video. That could be quite good actually. I think Courtney would enjoy doing that. Makes a mean cupcake. So yeah, we'll try and get Courtney on board to do that. So let's just try and flip this again. Doesn't need, like I said, doesn't need too long on either side. Again, a bit brown, but oh well, they can be abbies. So yeah, other than that, that is vegetable quesadillas. I've got another two there, but I won't bore you with an even longer video. But I think that is what we call two lovely, succulent, vegetarian quesadillas, and they cost. There's an alarm clock as well. Look at that, perfect timing. About £3, £4 to make, if that. Really filling. There'd probably be a little bit of leftover roast vegetables you can put on the side, or throw it in a pot and you can always put that in another dish as well. So, vegetable quesadillas, a bit brown and a little light, but hey ho, who cares? Give it a try.